Unlock an ad-free world of entertainment with your YouTube Premium code. Let's get it activated. First things first, you need to find your YouTube Premium redemption code. This is usually a string of letters and numbers, often found on a physical gift card, in an email confirmation after a purchase, or sometimes provided by a service or promotion. Now head over to YouTube.com on your web browser if you're using the mobile app. You can also access the redemption page directly from there, but the website is often the most straightforward for this process. Once you're on YouTube, you'll need to be signed into your Google account. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner and click it to open the account menu. In this menu, find and select the option that says Purchases and Memberships. On the Purchases and Memberships page, you should see an option related to redeeming a code or gift card. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a field where you can enter your precious code. Carefully type or paste your YouTube Premium redemption code into the designated box. Double check for any typos to ensure smooth activation. After entering your code, hit the redeem button. If your code is valid, you'll be taken to a confirmation screen, and your YouTube Premium subscription will be activated instantly. And just like that, you've unlocked all the amazing benefits of YouTube Premium. Enjoy uninterrupted viewing with no ads, background playback to keep your music and videos playing when you switch apps or lock your screen, and the ability to download videos to watch offline anytime. Congratulations on upgrading your YouTube experience.